JP from Huffman has a question about insulation installation.
He is still, I'm impressed.
No, that was rough.
He's still recovering from Harvey.
Oh.
So JP writes, I need to install insulation. He says the exterior wall is brick, and we had to remove all the sheathing behind the sheetrock. And before and I want to know, can I put the insulation right up to the brick? I seem to remember you saying, Tom, that you can't put the insulation right up to the brick. Is that right?
That's correct. You want to put it to where it doesn't go past the framing. So some of the easiest solution is just taking a Tyvek and wrapping it real tight with a staple gun and wrapping a nice little wall of moisture barrier there, then filling it with insulation. But you've got to leave that airspace because water will come down that brick and it'll soak that insulation and you'll have a nasty mess on your hands. So no matter what you think about brick, water comes through the brick and the mortar.
There you go.
That's it.
And no matter what you think, if you got a question, you can send it to us. We'll get you an answer at HomeShowRadio.com. Check out these videos. There's proof of it. And you can subscribe to our channel and see them anytime you want.